everyone, welcome to my channel, ASR Custom Designs. My name is Amber, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to make a wood sign. So in this first part I'm going to show you guys how to sand your board, and then also show you what kind of paint that I use for the board, and then what type of paint roller that I use, and I'll let you guys know where I get them from. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and I'm going to show you guys which sandpaper I use. So for my board, to make it really smooth, I use the P400 grit, and then for the paint roller that I use, I get this, I got this at Harbor Freight. They're like $1.40 something for 4 of them, and this is the 4-inch size. And then the paint that I use is the Valspar 2000, and it's in the satin, and it's in the interior paint and primer. So that is the paint that I will be using. Alright, so I will show you guys what I do and we will get started. This is what I'm doing right now with my Cricut, cutting my vinyl, my stencil vinyl. The product that I use is Mask 813, and it is a stencil vinyl, and it's great for using like when you're doing wood signs and everything. You can buy the Mask 813 either, I just got this kind from US Cutter website, or you can also get it off of Amazon. And then I will also show you what type of transfer tape that I use as well. Alright, so that's done. Pull that off. I'm just going to flip this over like this. I always peel it away from it so it doesn't cause any kind of issues or bubble or anything like that. Came off just like that. So I'm going to grab this is the pick that I use to weed stuff out. So I'm just going to take my pick here. Okay, so next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take off the outer part here. Press on the edge there and go around the entire thing, like so. Just gotta make sure all of our bubbles out. These scissors here are Westcott titanium nonstick, which are really good for using for vinyl and stencil vinyl. And then the transfer tape that I use here, it's a clear kind, and it's also from US Cutter as well. So we'll lay this on top. Like that. Don't waste a lot of it. Go ahead. Cut this across like so. So I don't waste a lot of my transfer tape. And then I'm going to flip it over so you can see the transfer, see the stencil. And take this and get all your bubbles out like so. And just sprinkle over the entire thing like that. There we go. And it looks really nice and smooth and ready for putting it on the board. So we're going to go ahead and get that onto the board. Okay guys, so right here I am going to show y'all how to peel off the backing of the transfer, and we're going to next, so we're going to peel it off like so, and it comes off pretty easily. Just gotta make sure everything is laid down so you don't peel off the transfer. Like so. Just keep. And then after you've gotten that peeled off, we're gonna lay it on our board. Get it centered and get it straight. And this stuff is pretty sticky, so try to get it where you want it right away. Take your squeegee or whatever you use and just smooth out all the bubbles. Like so. And then next we're going to peel off the transfer tape. I'm gonna peel the transfer tape off, and then from here we're going next we're going to take the paint, the white paint, and go over top of the transfer. It's the paint and primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and start going out. Alright, so now I'm going to show you guys how to take off the stencil and show you guys the final part of the board. Now that we've let it dry for about 2 hours, and let's see what it looks like. And there we have it. Turns out really good, and I really like how it turned out. This is so much better than what I used to do in the past with my painting and all that. This actually is definitely a lot cleaner, and definitely looks pretty much perfect. So yeah, that is my sign, and turned out great, and I love it. And I'm going to put it up on my wall over here. Take these down and I'll put them over there. And I appreciate y'all watching this video, and hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.